From tech-savvy millennials to retirees chasing warmer winters, Americans are packing up and heading south, and there's one state that's catching everyone's eye in 2025, Georgia. You might think of peaches, football, and southern drawls, but this year, Georgia's got a lot more going for it. Booming job markets, lower cost of living, and a lifestyle that balances big city buzz with small town charm. It's no wonder thousands are making the move. But is Georgia really the land of opportunity, or just the latest real estate trend? In this video, we're diving deep into why Americans are flocking to Georgia in 2025, uncovering the real reasons behind this migration, from politics to property prices and everything in between. Grab a sweet tea and settle in, because by the end of this video, you might be Googling houses in Savannah or Atlanta yourself. Let's find out what's really going on. Reason 1: Great weather. Georgia's climate is like a breath of fresh air for those fleeing extreme temperatures elsewhere. Imagine waking up to mild, comfortable mornings most of the year. That's the Georgian reality. In Georgia, you can say goodbye to bone-chilling winters and scorching summers. The state enjoys a subtropical climate, which means warm summers and relatively mild winters. It's the kind of weather that lets you enjoy outdoor activities year-round. Whether you're a sun seeker or someone who appreciates a gentle change of seasons, Georgia's got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Let's break it down. Summers in Georgia are warm and long, perfect for beach trips and barbecues. Spring brings an explosion of colors as flowers bloom across the state. Fall is a visual treat with mild temperatures and stunning foliage. And winters, they're short and mild, with snow being a rare and exciting event rather than a daily struggle. It's no wonder weather tops our list of reasons why Americans are flocking to Georgia. Reason 2: Low cost of living. Now, let's talk money. In today's economy, every dollar counts, and in Georgia, your dollars stretch further. The low cost of living in Georgia is like finding an oasis in a desert of high prices. Housing costs in Georgia are a breath of fresh air compared to many other states. Whether you're looking to rent an apartment in bustling Atlanta or buy a family home in a quiet suburb, you'll find prices that won't make your wallet weep. But it's not just housing. Everyday expenses like groceries, utilities, and transportation are also more affordable here. This means you can maintain a comfortable lifestyle without constantly worrying about your bank balance. To put things in perspective, let's compare. While cities like New York or San Francisco might gobble up 50% or more of your income just for housing, in Georgia, you could be looking at spending only 30% or less. Imagine what you could do with that extra money: save for the future, invest in your hobbies, or simply enjoy life without financial stress. It's this economic breathing room that's drawing many Americans to make Georgia their new home. Reason 3: The thriving economy. A low cost of living is great, but what about making a living? Well, Georgia's got you covered there too. The state's economy is not just growing, it's thriving, offering a land of opportunity for professionals and entrepreneurs alike. Georgia's economic landscape is diverse and robust. The state has become a hotbed for various industries, from traditional sectors like agriculture and manufacturing to cutting-edge fields like technology and film production. Atlanta, often called the Hollywood of the South, has a booming film industry that's creating jobs and bringing glamour to the state. Meanwhile, the tech sector is flourishing, with major companies setting up shop and startups sprouting like Georgia pines. But it's not just about big industries. Georgia's business-friendly environment is a magnet for entrepreneurs. The state offers various incentives and support programs for small businesses, making it easier for people to turn their dreams into reality. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for new opportunities or an aspiring business owner with a brilliant idea, Georgia's thriving economy offers fertile ground for growth and success. Reason 4: Better job opportunities. Hand in hand with a thriving economy come better job opportunities, and Georgia is a job seeker's paradise. The state's job market is as diverse as its landscape, offering something for everyone. Atlanta, the capital and economic powerhouse of Georgia, is a major draw for job seekers. The city is home to numerous Fortune 500 companies, including household names like Coca-Cola, Home Depot, and Delta Air Lines. But it's not just about big corporations. The city's startup scene is vibrant, offering exciting opportunities for those who prefer a more dynamic work environment. From finance to healthcare, from technology to creative industries, Atlanta's job market is a smorgasbord of opportunities. But don't think it's all about Atlanta. Other cities in Georgia are also experiencing job growth. Savannah's port is driving logistics and transportation jobs. Augusta is becoming a cybersecurity hub. Macon is seeing growth in healthcare and education sectors. This spread of opportunities across the state means you're not limited to just one city in your job search. It's this abundance and diversity of job opportunities that's attracting professionals from all walks of life to Georgia. Reason 5: Natural beauty. From the mountains to the coast, Georgia's landscape is a feast for the eyes and a playground for nature lovers. In the north, the Appalachian Mountains paint a picture of rugged beauty. Here, you can hike through lush forests, camp under starry skies, and chase waterfalls hidden in the wilderness. The famous Appalachian Trail starts or ends, depending on your perspective, in Georgia, offering an epic adventure right in your backyard. As you move south, you'll find rolling hills, peaceful lakes, and winding rivers perfect for fishing, boating, or simply relaxing by the water. And then there's the coast. Georgia's coastline, though not as famous as some, is a hidden gem. Golden sandy beaches, mysterious marshlands, and charming coastal towns await exploration. The barrier islands, like Cumberland and Jekyll, offer a unique blend of natural wonders and historical sites. Whether you're a beach bum, a hiker, a birdwatcher, or just someone who appreciates a good view, Georgia's natural beauty will captivate you. It's no wonder that many Americans are choosing to surround themselves with this natural splendor by moving to Georgia. Reason 6: Education institutions. For many Americans, especially those with families or those looking to further their own education, the quality of educational institutions is a crucial factor in deciding where to live. Georgia shines brightly in this aspect, offering a wealth of educational opportunities from kindergarten through postgraduate studies. At the higher education level, Georgia boasts some of the nation's top universities and colleges. The Georgia Institute of Technology, commonly known as Georgia Tech, is renowned for its engineering and computer science programs. Emory University, a private institution in Atlanta, is known for its liberal arts, business, and medical programs. The University of Georgia, the state's flagship public university, offers a wide range of programs and is particularly noted for its journalism and ecology departments. These are just a few examples of the stellar institutions that call Georgia home. But it's not just about higher education. Georgia's public school system has been making strides in recent years, with many districts receiving national recognition for their innovative programs and high academic standards. For families with school-age children, this means access to quality education without the need for expensive private schools. Additionally, the state offers various school choice options, including charter schools and magnet programs, allowing parents to find the best fit for their children's educational needs. This commitment to education at all levels is a powerful draw for families looking to set down roots in a place that values learning and growth. Reason 7: Strong sports culture. The state's strong sports culture isn't just about watching games, it's a way of life that brings communities together and adds an extra layer of excitement to everyday life. At the professional level, Georgia, particularly Atlanta, is a sports lover's paradise. The Atlanta Braves, one of the most successful franchises in Major League Baseball, have a dedicated fan base that stretches across the Southeast. Football fans rally behind the Atlanta Falcons, while basketball enthusiasts cheer for the Atlanta Hawks. The relatively new Atlanta United FC has taken the city by storm, breaking attendance records and bringing soccer fever to the South. These teams don't just provide entertainment, they're a source of pride and unity for Georgians. But the sports culture in Georgia goes beyond professional teams. College sports, especially football, are a big deal here. The rivalry between the University of Georgia Bulldogs and the Georgia Tech Yellow Jackets is legendary, dividing friends and families in friendly competition. High school sports also play a significant role in community life, especially in smaller towns. From Friday night lights at the local football field to state championship basketball games, sports are woven into the fabric of Georgian society. For sports fans moving to Georgia, this means never having to miss out on the thrill of the game and always having something to talk about with your new neighbors. Reason 8. Tax benefits. Georgia's tax structure is another compelling reason why many Americans are choosing to call this state home. First, let's look at income tax. While Georgia does have a state income tax, its rates are relatively moderate compared to many other states. The state uses a progressive tax system, with rates ranging from 1% to 5.75% as of 2024. This is significantly lower than states like California or New York, where top rates can exceed 10%. For many people moving from high-tax states, this translates to immediate savings in their paychecks. But it's not just about personal income tax. Georgia is also known for being business-friendly when it comes to taxes. The corporate income tax rate is a flat 5.75%, which is lower than the national average. This attracts businesses to the state, which in turn creates more job opportunities for residents. Additionally, Georgia offers various tax credits and incentives for businesses, particularly in areas like job creation, research and development, and film production. These policies not only benefit businesses but also contribute to the state's overall economic health. Property taxes in Georgia are also relatively low compared to national averages. This is particularly attractive for homeowners and retirees looking to maximize their real estate investments. While rates can vary by county and municipality, overall, property owners in Georgia tend to pay less in taxes than they would in many other states. When you combine these tax benefits with the state's low cost of living, it's easy to see why. Many Americans are finding that their money goes further in Georgia. Reason 9. Access to transportation. In our increasingly connected world, easy access to transportation is crucial, and Georgia excels in this area. Whether you're commuting to work, traveling for business, or planning a vacation, Georgia's transportation infrastructure has you covered. Let's start with air travel. Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport is not just the busiest airport in the United States, it's been the busiest in the world for over 2 decades. This massive hub offers direct flights to hundreds of destinations across the globe. For residents of Georgia, this means unparalleled access to air travel, whether you're jetting off to New York for a business meeting or catching a flight to Paris for a European vacation. The airport's efficiency and wide range of flight options make travel more convenient and often more affordable for Georgia residents. But it's not just about air travel. Georgia's road network is extensive and well-maintained. The state is crisscrossed by major interstates, making it easy to travel between cities or even to neighboring states. For those who prefer public transportation, cities like Atlanta offer robust systems. The Metropolitan Atlanta Rapid Transit Authority (MARTA) provides train and bus services throughout the metro area, making it possible to commute without a car. Many other cities in Georgia are also investing in public transportation improvements to meet the needs of their growing populations. For those interested in alternative modes of transport, Georgia is making strides. The state has been expanding its network of bike lanes and pedestrian-friendly areas, particularly in urban centers. There's also growing interest in high-speed rail projects that could connect major cities in the future. This focus on diverse transportation options not only makes daily life more convenient but also contributes to a more sustainable future. For many Americans moving to Georgia, this comprehensive approach to transportation means more freedom and flexibility in how they travel, whether it's across town or across the world. Reason 10. Retirement-friendly. Georgia has become a top choice for retirees, earning its reputation as one of the most retirement-friendly states in the nation. The combination of factors that make Georgia ideal for retirement is hard to beat. First and foremost, Georgia's affordability is a major draw for those on fixed incomes. The low cost of living, including lower housing costs, means retirement savings stretch further here. Additionally, Georgia offers significant tax benefits for retirees. Social Security income is exempt from state taxes, and there's a generous deduction on all types of retirement income for seniors. These financial advantages allow retirees to maintain a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Beyond the financial perks, Georgia's mild climate is perfect for active seniors who want to enjoy outdoor activities year-round. The state boasts excellent healthcare options, with top-rated hospitals and medical centers in major cities. From the mountains to the coast, Georgia's natural beauty and recreational opportunities provide endless ways for retirees to stay engaged and entertained. Whether you're looking for a quiet life in a small town or prefer the amenities of a larger city, Georgia offers diverse options to suit different retirement lifestyles. Whether you're a young professional seeking career growth, a family looking for a great place to raise children, or a retiree searching for the perfect spot to enjoy your golden years, Georgia has something to offer. The state's commitment to progress, coupled with its rich history and southern charm, creates an environment where people can not just live, but truly thrive. Of course, moving to a new state is a big decision, and it's important to do your own research and possibly visit before making the leap. But if you're looking for a place that combines economic opportunity with a high quality of life, Georgia should definitely be on your radar. As more Americans discover the benefits of living in Georgia, the state continues to grow and evolve, welcoming newcomers with open arms and that famous Southern hospitality. So, if you're dreaming of a fresh start or a better life, why not consider Georgia? After all, in the Peach State, you might just find that life is sweeter.